This is the 28storms.com cyclone update for the 11th of November. Much of the Indian Ocean, including the Arabian Sea, have become calm in the tropics now that Tropical Cyclone 4A has fully dissipated. We see that the remnant moisture did push into the lower half of Pakistan, albeit there really isn't much of it left, and I guarantee you that the rainfall totals are minimal with no risk of flooding. We are still in the first half of November, so it is no surprise that the tropics near Australia continue to be quiet. And the same can be said into the Coral Sea and South Pacific. However, we will be monitoring this area for development, although the chances appear to be 30 to 40% over the next 3 to 7 days. The models were advertising a slightly more favorable pattern in yesterday's guidance compared to what we are seeing now, but nevertheless it still looks as though the upper level conditions will be marginally favorable just to the north of Fiji, so this is the spot to focus on. We will also be keeping a very close watch on the precipitable water analysis. This gives us a good clue as to where the monsoon trough is heading up. And once again, this is the general area that we will be monitoring for any sign of tropical cyclone low formation. But once again, the models are not quite as aggressive as they were at this time yesterday. This is now the most recent 18Z run of the GFS model. And we don't see much out there in the South Pac throughout the next 24 to 36 hours. But as we go 2 days into the future, we do begin to see signs of that monsoon trough heating up just a little bit to the north of Fiji and just to the west of American Samoa. And then as we continue to advance, we will more than likely see at least a 1008 HPA surface low, and then it's going to continue moving off toward the southeast as it gets caught up by a mid-latitude system. So we will continue to keep a close eye on the South Pac for you here at 28storms.com/cyclone. We will have another video update posted no later than tomorrow afternoon.